Welcome back to the channel, everybody. And I know, say no more. You're wanting to know where all the videos went, etc., etc., etc. Well, we are redoing things in a big way. Right now, as I record this, Michelle is in the Nissan pulling a trailer loaded down with supplies, probably pretty close to the Minto turn, on her way to Manly, where she'll meet up with our buddies Frank and Wes, and they will load everything into their big boat and get it here probably around noonish today. So we'll see how things go. But otherwise, just be patient. Like I said, things are being redone. We haven't gone anywhere. We haven't vanished into the night or anything like that. But we're still right here, and we'll see you on the flip side.